Hi, I'm Heather Franklin, and I'm one of the family law attorneys at Eskew Law in Indianapolis. My favorite area of family law are premarital agreements, otherwise known as prenuptial agreements or prenups, and those are agreements that parties draft in anticipation of a marriage and that go into effect once they do marry. Indiana adopted the Uniform Premarital Agreement Act, and so there are a few requirements that you have to comply with in order for your agreement to be valid. First of all, the agreement needs to be in writing and it needs to be signed by both parties. It doesn't have to be notarized, although that is best practice just to make sure that both parties are signing of their free will and they're under no duress, which is another requirement. The parties have to enter the agreement voluntarily. The agreement needs to contain a financial disclosure of both parties, both of assets and debts that they are bringing into the marriage, and that will remain their separate property upon a divorce if it happens down the road. The agreement needs to be not unconscionable, which is a fancy word for it needs to be somewhat fair, and that's a matter for the judge to decide. It's a matter of law. But things that go into that are if there's a big disparity between the parties' bargaining power, or if someone doesn't really even understand the terms of the agreement, even though they sign it. And the agreement also cannot have any illegal terms. Prenups are my favorite. I hope to encourage more people to enter into them before their marriages. So please reach out to Eskew Law if you are contemplating marriage and want to talk about prenups. Thanks.